representatives in Tehran. It's been almost a year since the Pentagon spokesman has taken questions on camera in the briefing room here at the Pentagon. And there are a lot of questions from both reporters as well as on Capitol Hill, Ed.
And Jennifer, as you've been reporting, there are concerns about how all of this intelligence is being interpreted. As I understand it, the U.S. military has seen Iranian boats carrying missiles before. What is the context to all of this?
Well, it's not the first time the U.S. military has seen missiles on Iranian small boats. Just 4 years ago, the U.S. Navy saw one of those boats headed to Yemen. They tracked them with another aircraft carrier, and the Iranian boats turned around. And in 2016, when the U.S. Navy saw this boat carrying suspected Iranian weapons, they boarded the boat and confiscated them. Democrats and Republicans on Capitol Hill are demanding briefings from the acting defense secretary and chairman of the Joint Chiefs, who are not planning to do so until next week.
I like what I hear.
Another Middle Eastern war, there are a lot of people who resist it. I hope some of his own party will tell him that.
I have not been briefed about why we withdrew people from the consulate and the embassy. That's disappointing and unacceptable.
A White House representative is briefing the group of 8 as we speak, and we've just learned there will be a full Senate-wide briefing on Tuesday. Ed?
Thank you, Jennifer. Our Team Fox coverage continues now with our State Department correspondent, Rich Edson, reporting live. Rich?
Ed, Iran is blaming this on the Trump administration's decision a year ago to leave the Iran nuclear agreement. When the United States and the administration did that, it restored these strong economic sanctions that were targeted at Iran's economy and most of its top exports. Iran says despite that, they have remained restrained.
We believe that escalation by the United States is unacceptable and uncalled for. We have to exercise maximum restraint.
Iran has threatened, however, to resume parts of producing highly enriched uranium if the European governments that are still part of this Iran nuclear deal don't help them circumvent American sanctions. Those countries are Britain, Germany, France, the European Union. They have criticized Iran for that threat, but they've also tried to help Iran conduct business. They've also criticized the United States from withdrawing from the Iran nuclear deal to begin with. Also in the Middle East today, Saudi Arabia is blaming Iran for a drone attack on a pipeline, an oil pipeline from a couple of days ago. They say that